Core Clause 8 of the NEC4 Engineering and Construction Contract sets out how liability is allocated between the client and contractor and how risks are managed through insurance. It is a key clause that underpins the commercial and risk structure of the contract. At its core, Clause 8 confirms that each party is responsible for its own risks. The contractor is liable for delivering the works in accordance with the scope. The client retains liability for risks specifically allocated to it under the contract. Risk is allocated to the party best able to manage it, which is a fundamental NEC principle. This clear allocation reduces ambiguity and supports proactive risk management. Clause 8 introduces limits on financial exposure. The contractor's liability is capped at the amount stated in the contract data. This ensures risk is proportionate to the project value and commercially manageable. Certain liabilities are typically excluded from the cap, such as fraud or deliberate default, and specific indemnities, depending on contract amendments. This provides certainty for both parties when assessing worst-case scenarios. NEC4 generally excludes liability for indirect losses, which means neither party is liable for indirect or consequential loss, unless stated otherwise. This can include loss of profit, loss of revenue, and loss of business opportunities. This prevents exposure to unpredictable or disproportionate claims. Clause 8 links closely with the concept of client's risk. These risks are listed separately. If a client's risk occurs, the contractor is not liable for resulting damage or delay. The contractor is entitled to a compensation event. This ensures fairness where events are outside the contractor's control. NEC requires specific insurances to be in place. Insurance of the works, to cover physical loss or damage to the works. Third-party liability insurance, covering injury to persons or damage to property. And insurance of plant and materials, covers contractors' equipment and materials. Required levels of cover, deductibles and duration are set out in the contract data. The contractor usually arranges the insurances unless stated otherwise. And both parties must ensure policies are maintained for the required period. Clause 8 also addresses non-compliance. Failure to maintain required insurance may be a breach of contract. If insurance is not in place or does not pay out, the responsible party may need to bear the cost of losses directly. Metroun, a commercial hub for your business.